Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today, being a digital marketing specialist, I would like to share some great tips that you can use for your business. Or if you are working under someone or for some company, then you can use these tricks. So when you join a company, they used to ask you for marketing roadmap or scope of marketing or say strategy of marketing. So what can you do in that? Like before getting you in their company, they will be asking for your strategy. What strategy are you going to use for their company's growth? So first thing, you should note down all your skills, like starting from SE pull push strategy of digital marketing, and then email marketing, that is inbound marketing, and other ways of like some extra work, say uh, creating social media accounts, then handling it, then graphic like graphic designing. And if you already have one team to do this thing, then that's great. And now what you need to do, you need to arrange all these things. Same first page, you are writing table of contents. So what will be your table of contents? It will be like social media, then say after social media there would be like some tools, digital marketing tools that you will be using, then graphic designing tactics, then social media account handlers, or social media websites like apps on which you are going to focus, say Quora, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Is there, like, is it some company where you should use Twitter or not? So based on that you can decide whatever social media you are going to use. After this, what you can do, target audience, what would be their target audience, and then you can write something about their target audience. Then what extra you can do for their company, say if it is some like fashion related company or some e-commerce website where people used to place their orders, like Amazon or Flipkart. So what extra you can do something for that. So what you can do is you can take their one of their product that are in demand, and you can write one story. Or yes, you can also tell them that you can do blogging part also, like when it comes to promoting a product, then blogging is something that can do wonders. So yes, in promotion you can add blogging, and then you can use Google ads, Instagram or Facebook ads, or various kind of ads you can use. And now once you are done with like mapping all these things, now you can convert all these things into a presentation. And once you are done with presentation, try to give that presentation to yourself. Like you have opened the slide and now you have started that my name is this, I'm going to present presentation on XYZ marketing strategy for XYZ company. So these will be my table of content, and let's start from this, like whatever requirements are. So these are some of the things that I will be focusing on. So things should be like social media accounts, and then analytics, that you will be checking analytics on weekly basis to get to know the performance or where you stand. Or also you will be doing SWOT analysis on weekly or say monthly basis. SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunities, threat. So whatever strengths are there, you will be leveraging of like from that strengths on the next few months. And whatever is weaknesses are there, so it is not weaknesses but area of improvement. So how are you going to improve those areas? Then what are the opportunities or opportunities in market? Say if COVID-19 is going on and some companies are in healthcare and you are doing marketing for healthcare companies, so what are the opportunities, that what are the things or what are the products that are in highly demand? So you can focus on that. Like these will be a kind of opportunities for you, so you can get benefit of these. And then you can put ads on various platforms related to those products. And for threats, you should analyze your competitors too. What are the competitors in your area or in your targeted area? So once you'll get to know about your like competitor, you can understand their strategy and whatever they are doing, and then you can do something better than them to make your presence felt like feel by some other audience. So that are some of the key points that you can use while presenting your presentation based on marketing strategy. If you want I can share like one presentation with all of you, and based on your need or your company's demand you can edit it and then you can use it for your work, whatever work you are doing. So thank you so much. I will be meeting soon with all of you in my next video. Thank you.